The truck.
Hey, starting your radar. Oh no!
Oh no, fuck! I'm gonna be a trucker. I'm gonna be a trucker.
Flying
I'm flying high up the storm. How? Are we not spawned yet?
Yep, I got my Range Rover.
Alright, so Dow 16 is heading towards the train station. Dow's heading towards the train station.
Spring Foxy!
Please, you're lagging my game so much. My ping is getting too high right now.
Oh my gosh. Alright, so we're just gonna turn right here. Alright, Dow 16 is deploying near the police station. Alright, so we gotta get this raised up right
Spring
here.
Foxy keeps spawning in stuff and it's lagging my game.
Well, I can't delete it. It's because they're
Just
dead.
stop spawning them. Alright, Dow is operational. Now we just gotta wait for a tornado to come.
Wait, where are you?
I can't remove anything.
By the police station.
Alright, let's all spread out.
Alright, so we're just gonna wait for a second. Wait for this tornado to start up, wherever the heck it is.
Well, I didn't know you could find the server.
Oh my gosh, this kid is so dumb. Dude, no offense to him, but TBH, he's kinda dumb.
Yep, I'm staying on this server.
So for those of you who never met me before, I am actually pretty good at making Doppler trucks on
Hey gamer, hey gamer.
Gmod. So just something to know about me. The Dow
Do you wanna play?
Some
Do you
people call
wanna
me the Dow
play?
Master.
Cops and robbers
No,
again.
just kidding. Nobody ever
No,
called me
can't
that.
you say I'm already in a storm chasing RP?
Well, let me join you. Can I ride in your vehicle?
No.
It is so weird.
Hey, I'm pretty much a pro chaser at this, by the way.
Get your own vehicle.
And not
Yeah,
my
but my
Doppler truck
vehicle
either.
is gonna lack the server. I'm afraid my vehicle's gonna lack the
Hold on a second.
server.
Then spawn no dupes.
The National
Tornado
Then
watch.
I'm gonna get a storm chase. We'll keep parent the vehicle.
So what I do is to keep
How
my vehicle in
am
the
I
same
going to
place.
storm chase?
Oh my god, shut up.
Multi-parent the vehicle. It will not lag if you multi-parent the vehicle. Just tell TCR Gaming how to if you don't know how. Shut up, Zen the Gaming Limit.
Oh my.
Ugh.
There it
Finally.
is.
Tornado on the ground.
Thank you.
Just
Thank
coming
you
our
for
way.
gagging him. God. It's getting on my nerves.
Jeez, I gotta
I
get out
know.
of here.
Is that tornado spawning on top of me?
Why? Where are you?
Oh, the tornado. Oh, yeah, I'm near the tornado. Flying up. Oh, wait, it's hitting the police station.
Jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. This is too close for comfort. Too close for comfort. Oh jeez. Dow is hauling butt away from the
I'm getting
tornado.
sucked in.
So because Fox, you kept arguing with everybody and disrespecting staff ranks that are higher than you. Well, they're not technically staff ranks, but you know what I mean. Lower the steps right here. Right there. Check out what's on the radar. Is it radar's operational? I think tornado is gone now. Yep, tornado is gone. Dow 16 is staying in the same position it was before. Alright. Alright, we have a tornado warning. Tornado warning, everybody. Tornado warning. Everybody get ready. Alright. Where is this guy? Where is this big boy? Okay. Oh, we have a tornado. We have a tornado heading towards the junkyard. Sure, go ahead. Alright, so we just wait right here for the tornado, see if it comes this way. We also may have to move too, just in case if it comes this way.
SUV-1 in position.
Tornado is heading, I'm not sure, I think it probably dissipated. Nope, still here, still here. Okay, so, Ben, just get ready to move. Alright, so...
For you.
Tornado was good. Okay, we're good right here.
Alright, I gotta go.
Okay,
Bye.
see ya.
I'll probably be on tomorrow, or my brother will, so bye.
Okay, see ya.